So I believe that there is one rule that guides most wealthy people and investors. And we can agree that investors are wealthy people, right? So this is the Robert Kiyosaki's investing rule, which says that use your money to buy assets and let those assets buy you financial freedom. It simply means that use your money to buy assets and let those assets put money in your pocket. The beautiful part is that whether you work or not, your assets put money in your pocket. All right. So always use your money and buy assets. All right. Invest in assets that work for you, not you working for it. So whether you're working or not, your assets are putting money in your pocket. All right. And on this video, I want to tell you about 3 ways you can invest in real estate as an asset that will put money in your pocket, whether you're working or not. So watch this video to the ending while I discuss them with you. And the very first way that you can build wealth, all right, through your assets that you've invested in that will put money in your pocket, whether you're working or not, is through land banking. Now, this is just where you go and buy lands, all right. Now, land banking is also very interesting because it always is very affordable. Like you can start with a little money, all right, and buy a land that this land will work for you and put money in your pocket, whether you're doing anything or not. All you have to do is to buy the land, all right, and leave it over a period of time while it appreciates. So you've bought the land in underdeveloping areas or areas that are about to experience development, and you leave it for a period of time and you don't have to do anything on that land and it keeps putting money in your pocket for you. All right. Now, the second way, all right, to invest in assets through real estate that will keep putting money in your pocket, whether you're working or not, it's going to be working for you, is what we call house flipping. This is for investors that want quick money. They just go and buy into off-plan houses. All right, they buy into off-plan houses and then they complete it and then they sell it over a period of time. This will put money in your pocket. All right, they just go and buy a house, they renovate it to their standard or their taste, and then sell it off again at a higher price. All right, so you sell off and then you make massive income from the sales of that investment. Now, the third way is what we call rental properties. This is when you buy a house and put it up for rent, a house or a shop, and then it keeps making you money while you're asleep because people will always pay rent. And this is a very good investment opportunity because one of the basic needs of man is shelter. So man will always need a place to lay his head, and that is why rental income is one of the best means of investment as an asset that will keep putting money in your pocket, whether you're doing anything or not. All you have done was to build a house or a shop, then rent it out to someone in need. And there's always need for a house because to rent an apartment is always in demand. So there are different ways to rent out. You can rent out as short lets, you can rent out as Airbnb, you can rent out as service apartments. All right. So there are a lot of means you can rent and collect money either on monthly basis, either weekly basis, it could be daily, and it could be yearly. All right. So these are the 3 ways you can make money through your assets, through real estate, and they will put money in your pocket, whether you do anything or not. So today, let me know which of these 3, either land banking, house flipping, or rental income, that is through rental properties. All right. So if you're willing to start any of these means of investing, all right, let me know and call or WhatsApp me on the number showing on your screen today, and I'll be excited to get you through on how you can start and how you can invest in any of these 3 safely and profitably in 2026. All right. I'm waiting for that call today.